Okay, we're here at 1315 North Spaulding Avenue in Los Angeles. Now we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house. You'll have your general inspector crawl underneath the house. We're running our camera from a 2-inch cleaner located on the right-hand side of the house where the bathrooms are located. We tried all the roof vents. They all had 90-degree turns in them. So the only place for us to run our camera is this 2-inch clean out here located on the side of the house. Now we've run our camera out, and as we ran our camera out, we find another clean out in the front of the house that's like buried underneath the mulch and stuff. But we have our camera in the line now, and we're all the way out to the city curb where we've come to a very big blockage in the line. You can see it's blocked over here. It's filled with tree roots over here. Really a lot of roots over here as we come back into looks like a clay pipe. But then what's going to happen is right over here in the parkway, somebody had replaced the sewer line outside of the house, and they went way too far into the city property. So you have a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe which is not allowed in city property. So this is in the parkway. Coming back from here, it's ABS plastic. Now you can see it's in good condition, but you're not allowed to have it on the actual city property. It now comes onto the front lawn into the property where it's an ABS plastic pipe. They obviously had replaced this, but they went way too far into city property. So coming back over here, this is all in good condition. Now right over here, this is where we located the clean out in the flower bed in the front. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to run our camera from there to see if we can poke through. Otherwise, we're going to recommend a hydrojet because we need to check the line from the curb to the middle of the street. It comes back to a section of cast iron pipe here that is in very poor condition. This is where outside of the house, it's going to come underneath the foundation of the house, and it's going to run into underneath the bathroom, not the bathroom, but the front room of the house. You can see the bottom of the pipe is pretty much broken. We will see it kind of broken and very badly cracked as we come back. Very poor condition, this cast iron pipe. And when we went in with our camera, you could see it was clearly broken. Right, you can see this is in very poor condition. I think right over here, it's in very poor condition, this pipe over here. This definitely needs to be replaced.
Look at the bottom there.
Also pretty bad, yeah. Pretty much done, this cast iron pipe. And then what happens, it comes back to ABS plastic. ABS plastic main line underneath the house. This is all in good condition over here, nice and clean. So here it comes out in the side. We're going to pause the recording, and we're going to go to the front of the house to see if we can poke through from the clean out outside. Alright, so what we've done is we're running the camera from the 4-inch clean out located here where the pipe exits the house, about maybe 10 feet past the actual house, and we're all the way out to the city connection. Now you see it is a concrete pipe, so there's the city sewer. You can see it definitely kind of broken here right at the end of the line. There's heavy roots getting into it. It's no good, the pipe. You can see right over there at the top at like 9 o'clock. It's broken over here, the pipe. Right over there. So we're going to bring the camera back. It is a concrete pipe. Then it is slightly broken near the end, and there are roots getting in. So we're going to pretty much recommend that this lateral be completely replaced. As we bring it back, we're pretty much getting close to the curb here where the very heavy root is. Right over, you can see it's broken over there. And that's like maybe a few inches into the street already. So coming back over here, not in very poor condition. It's going to come back for a couple of feet, and it's going to go back to ABS plastic there, which needs to go as well. So the whole lateral needs to be replaced. The section of cast iron pipe under the house to the outside, probably about 20 feet of pipe, needs to be replaced. We'll stop the recording over here.